I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test problem for our students on trigonometric identities. The question is, prove sine 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 cosecant 2x minus tan x. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestion. Let's begin with the left side first. So left side is given to us as sine 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x, right? So you could always write sine 2x as 2 sine x cos x, correct? And as far as the cos 2x is concerned, it will be a good idea to write this as in terms of sine. So let's write this as sine 2x as 2 sine x cos x. And as far as the denominator is concerned, cos 2x, you have three choices. You could write this as cos square x minus sine square x. You could write this as 2 times cos square x minus 1, and also 1 minus 2 sine square x. So that third option is better since we'll get rid of this 1. So we'll write cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sine square x. So that will simplify. So with that we get 2 sine x cos x. The other options, if you use, you may have to do 2 extra steps. But finally you will get what I am getting to. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus and minus makes it plus. So we have 2 sine square x in the denominator. 2 sine x and 2 sine x cancel, correct? So you are left with cos x over sine x, right, which is tan x. So let me write cos x over sine x. So at this stage we cancel 2 and 2 and sine x with sine x. So on the left side we have kind of simplified to the bare minimum, which is tan x. Do you see that? Now let's begin with the right side. Now how to solve and simplify the right side? So what we will do is we'll say, well, the right side is equals to 2 cosecant 2x minus tan x. Now cosecant is 1 over sine, so I'll write this as equal to 2 over sine 2x minus tan x. Tan x could be written as sine x over cos x, right? So let's write sine 2x as 2 times sine x cos x minus sine x over cos x. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we get 1 here. You can take a common denominator of sine x cos x. Let's take common denominator of sine x cos x. Here you get 1 minus. Here you have to multiply this by sine x. So we get 1 minus sine square x. Now what is 1 minus sine square x? It is cos square x divided by sine x cos x. Now one of the cos gets cancelled, so you're left with cos x over sine x. Do you see that? So both sides are actually equal to cotangent x. Do you see that? Both sides are equal to cot x. Now therefore we say left side is equals to right side. So that is how we can actually prove this identity. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.